Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Amazon Echo device play audio from YouTube videos. It's a fairly easy process. I came across this on GitHub. This is an unofficial skill made by a guy called DM Hacker. I'll link his GitHub repository in the description below. And let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is go to this site developer.amazon.com, go to your developer console, select Alexa and start with the Alexa skills kit. Now before we continue ahead with this tutorial, make sure you turn off the microphone on your Amazon Echo devices, otherwise they'll go crazy. So yeah, let's get started. And now press add a new skill. Over here you can choose your language. My default is English India. You can choose English US, English UK, Canada or Australia. But if you choose German or Japanese, you'll have to follow a different set of instructions, which I will show in a later video, not now. Now you can name this anything. I'll just name it YouTube. You can name it anything, it doesn't matter. And the invocation name should be YouTube, all smalls. And in global fields, select audio player as yes, because it is an audio player, and click on save. Now next step, you have to add this intent schema. I will give all the details in the description below. I'll be making a blog post on how to do this step by step, so I'll be giving all the details there. Right now from the blog post it'll be obvious for you. Just copy this intent schema and paste it here. Then add a custom slot type called videos. Now enter the values which I will also give in that blog post, so no need to worry about anything. Here paste them. Now in press add here. So this is added. Now in sample utterances, paste this, copy and paste this, and yes, I will be giving everything in that blog post, so don't worry about anything. Next. So now pause your Alexa skill and go to AWS Lambda. Go to your console in AWS, then select Lambda, then create a new function, choose blueprints and choose this one. This one, not the Python one, the Node.js one. Now name it Alexa YouTube skill. Now you have to create a custom role for this. So press on create a custom role, and over here you will see a default role, Lambda basic execution. So now I already have this role created, so I won't create it again, but as soon as you do that, press allow and then you're good to go. So over here I'm just going to select an existing role, Lambda basic execution, and let's create function. Okay, now you need code for this, so I'll be also adding a link to the code that you need for this skill. Okay. Skip this ad. Okay, we have another ad. Skip that too. Okay, now the skill is being downloaded. It's a fairly small file. It should be around 2.5 MB. Now, over here, select upload a .zip file and let it download first. So we go next. Over here, in the timeout, make the timeout 1 minute 0 seconds and give it a memory of about 500 MB. No need to change anything else here. Just go to upload and okay, here Alexa YouTube skill, open, and in environment variables add wait, that name is Alexa application ID. Oh, but how did this tab open? Here, Alexa application ID. Now the value for this ID is the skill ID of the skill you just created. It's here. So copy this and paste it here. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't copy this. Copy, paste, and well, this is done. So press on save, and now continue on your skill part. Here there's an ARN which you require for your skill, so copy that, paste it over here in default ARN. Account linking, make sure that is no, and let's press next now. Okay, now we have to wait for this to save so that we can continue on to the next step. Or we'll leave it for later. We'll just finish this. So next here, just skip this next, because you can't submit this to for submission in the Amazon Skills store because they don't accept this. So yes, no need to select anything else, and Press save. So now your skill is ready. Just have to wait for the function to be ready. Now the function is ready and you can test the skill now. Over here, go to test simulator. Yeah, allow it to use a microphone, but over here I'm just going to type the command search YouTube for you can select any the name of any video. I'm just going to write United States of Pop.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
Okay, this is awkward. This should not have happened. Let's check. Okay, this is okay. This note is fine. Everything looks fine here. Okay, this is taking too much time.
Hello.
Okay, this is awkward. Search YouTube for United States of Pop command load. Let me come back to this page again. Test simulator again. Okay, this is taking a pretty long time.
I am now playing DJ Earworm Mashup, United State of Pop 2016, into pieces.
Okay, so I think we just had to wait for the function to get ready. Now it works. And of course, in the test mode it won't play it, but on your Alexa device it surely will. So now I'm going to demonstrate the skill running on my Amazon Echo. Here we go. Alexa, search YouTube for United.
I couldn't find any enabled video skills.
Alexa,
Go to
search YouTube for United States of Pop.
I am now playing DJ DJ earworm mashup, United States of Pop 2016, into pieces.
Well, there we have it. Alexa, stop. I hope you liked this video and this helped you. And if you're stuck anywhere during the setup, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out as much as I can and as fast as I can. Thank you.